So this is pretty much a Trader Joe's kind of dinner. First, I'll start by just telling you what everything is. So these are called chicken drumellas from Trader Joe's. They're fully cooked. My son loves these. Like, you can make this meal for the entire family. But here they are, Trader Joe's chicken drumellas. They're breaded with white meat. I love these. They are delicious. For 4 of these, it is 5 smart points. And next is broccoli. I get the Trader Joe's organic broccoli florets. And literally I have like 2 cups of those because it's really filling. So, and I love broccoli, so why not? And next, these are Trader Joe's mashed potatoes. And here is the bag for them. Literally on the back, it says potatoes and I think butter and something else. So they are real mashed potatoes and they taste just like homemade. I've shown them in previous videos, but for 8 of these, they come in balls. Let me show you the balls. They come in balls like this. And then you cook them. The instructions are on the back, but they are delicious. And on the side here, just to add a little more, that's just a cut up cucumber, and I added 1 tablespoon of Wishbone fat-free Italian dressing. 1 tablespoon is 0 points. So that entire bowl is 0 points because the cucumber is free. So for 8 points, that is your meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you like videos and you want to see more videos like this. And I will see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.